Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the solid mechanics, and the question was the internal diameter of a steel shaft is 65% of the external diameter. The shaft is to be transmit 3600 kilowatt at 210 rpm. If maximum allowable stress in the shaft material is 50 Newton per mm square, the maximum twist of shaft when it is stressed to maximum permissible value length of the length of the shaft is 3.8 meter. Take the modulus of rigidity as 80 megapascal. So we have to find the uh, angle of maximum. We have to find the angle of twist. Means theta. We have to find. What are the other the data is given, that is let us assume the internal diameter of a steel shaft is 65% of the external diameter. So let external diameter is capital D. So internal diameter is 0.65 D. Maximum shear stress is given 50 Newton per mm square. Power is given 3600 kilowatt, and the length is 3.8 meter. Length of the shaft is 3.8 meter. Modulus of rigidity is given, that is 80 megapascal. So 80 megapascal. So firstly we have to find the we can apply the torsion equation. So according to torsion equation, we can apply T by IP is equal to tau by R is equal to tau max by capital R is equal to n theta or g theta by L. Here we can write G or N is given, where T is the torque, IP is the polar moment of inertia, tau is the shear stress at any radial distance R, tau max is the maximum shear stress, N is the modulus of rigidity or shear modulus, theta is the angle of twist, and L is the length of the shaft. So here we can compute the value of if I apply. So firstly we have to find the what is the value of torque. So torque can be computed. We know that power is equal to torque into omega. So P can be written as T into omega can be written as 2 pi n by 60. So power is 3600 into 10 to the power 3, that is equal to T into omega. Omega can be written as 2 pi into n. So n, the value of n is 210 rpm. So 210 divided by 60. So torque can be computed as 3600 into 10 to the power 3, 3600 into 60 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 2 pi into 210. So this value is, the value of torque is 163702 Newton meter. So we have computed the value of torque. So now we can firstly we have to find the what is the diameter of the shaft. So diameter can be computed as, if we apply T upon IP is equal to tau max by capital R. So we can apply once again the torsion equation. According to torsion equation, T by IP is equal to tau max by capital R. So IP can be written as polar moment of inertia for the circular section hollow circular section, that is pi by 32, d outside minus d inside the 4. So this is the polar moment of inertia. So if I compute the, if I put the value of outside diameter and inside diameter, so IP can be written as pi by 32. Outside diameter is d4 minus inside diameter is 0.65. So 0.65 d to the power 4. So this value will be pi by 32 1 minus 0.65 to the power 4. So this value IP is can be written as IP is equal to 0.0806 d4. So put the value of IP. So torque is given. What is the value of torque? So we have computed the value of torque, that is 163702. 163702 163702 divided by IP. So IP is 0.0806 d4. The maximum shear stress is 50 Newton per mm square. So 50 divided by, this is in Newton meter, this is also so here we can write meter can be converted in the form of Newton. So 1 meter is 10 to the power 3 mm divided by d by 2. So it will be 2. So here we can write d से d cancel. So we can write 100 into 0.0806, that is equal to 8.06 dq is equal to 163702 into 10 to the power 3. So the value of d is 163702 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 8.06 to the power 1 by 3. So it's the value of external diameter is 272.84 mm. So internal diameter is 0. Into 0.65. So its value is 177.35 mm. Now we have to find the value of angle of twist. So once again, if we apply the torsion equation, so once again apply the torsion equation. So it will be tau max by capital R is equal to g theta by L. So what is the value of tau max? Tau max is 50 Newton per mm square. So 50 Newton per mm square divided by R. So R, what is the value of R? So 272.84 divided by 2, that is equal to G. So what is the value of G? 80 megapascal. So 80 into 10 to the power 6 means we can write 80 into 10 to the power 3 into theta divided by L. So L is 3.8. So it will be 3.8 into 10 to the power 3. So we can write the value of theta is equal to 100 into 3.8 divided by 80 into 272.84. So it is 0.0174 radian. So this is the value of theta, 0.0174 radian. So in degree it can be computed as, so in degree we know that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, or we can write 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So 1 pi or 1 radian, it can be written as 360 divided by 2 pi. So for 0.0174 radian. For 0.0174 radian, it will be 360 divided by 2 pi into 0.0174 degree. So this value is 360 into 0.0174 divided by 2 pi. So this value is 0.996 degree. 0.0174 radian theta is equal to itna, or 0.996 degree is the answer. So if I see the option, so 0.997 means C option is correct. So here we can write option C is correct. Option C is